Simplify 9.23 square minus 1.77 square. Wonderful. So 9.23 square minus 1.77 square. How can we do this? Think about this. 9.23 square minus 1.77 square. It's called the form a square minus b square. We can factorize this as a plus b into a minus b. So let's do that. This is 9.23 plus 1.77 into 9.23 minus 1.77. Adding these two, 3 plus 7 is 10, 0, 1. 3 plus 7 is 10, 0, 1. 10 plus 1 is 11, 11.00 into 13 minus 7 is 6, becomes 1. 11 minus 7 is 4, this becomes 8. 7.46. 7.46 into 11. 746, 746, 6, 0, 1, 8 plus 4, 12, 2, 1. 82.06. Looking for this is the answer. The key idea here, we're saying a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And knowing these factorizations is very useful. So keep them in mind.